I'm Jay Cole, and I'm president of Kayaku Advanced Materials. Early on, we always used to see ourselves as a formulation company. And I said, we need to change that attitude. We need to be and consider ourselves an engineering company, because we have to listen to our customers and then develop solutions for the problems that they've got. So we've spent a lot of time, effort, and energy doing that. Listen to the customers, satisfy their needs, build upon that, and then knowing that you're going to develop a nice annuity. And I think that's what got us here.
My name is Ryan Banfield, and I'm the product manager for Priolex. My role here within Priolex is to make sure that the products that we develop still fall in line with the stringent guidelines that our customers demand. They want high quality products, and they want a person who's working with them. So my job is to make sure that the products that we're getting out meet all of their expectations. Yeah, I've seen a lot of industrial trades come and go, certainly. There's been different materials that have come up, requests for RFID all the way through inkjet, wearables, elastics. I've been there through the thick and thin of a good majority of the latest innovation trends. The number one advantage that we offer here at Kayaku and in the Priolex area is we are extremely customer forward. We get out samples very quickly to our customers. We're very one-on-one with our accounts. We make sure that our materials, even if they do come off the shelf, are still tailored towards the application. So the customer is able to use our off-the-shelf materials in ways that maybe other companies are not willing to support.
My name is Warren Broughton. I am the business unit manager for Powertronics. We provide a paralleling coating service that's high quality, and our lead time is very short compared to our competitors. So we're very agile too. So we work with R&D folks all the way through to production, helping them design parts to meet their needs, and helping design our process to match theirs. But the new customers that are maybe like a startup, we work pretty closely with them in design and development of their part and our process together. We have a lot of freedom to think outside the box. If a customer needs something special, we'll maybe get some custom tooling made. We have the opportunity to do that. If they need some special chemicals used, we have the opportunity to bring those in. And that's a lot of reason why the smaller companies come to us as opposed to going to a bigger company. Bigger company, the customer says it's something outside their wheelhouse, they'll say, no, sorry, we can't do that. But when they come to us, we'll put the engineering effort in, we'll figure out a solution. So we'll solve their problem.
We can absolutely work one-on-one with customers to make sure that the products that they're getting meet their expectations, even if they don't know what those requirements for those applications are.
So my name's Kate Wagner, and I'm a senior quality assurance engineer here at Kayaku. We work with them in conjunction with our applications group to really understand what their needs are and what we need to do to better support them, and to ensure that the goal is that they're successful at the end of the day, right? So the quality department is really here to be a resource for our customers and really help them succeed. Everybody's open to having conversations, to asking, okay, what needs to be done? If we're brainstorming, throwing out any and all ideas, and they're all taken down, they're all looked at. It's a very collaborative approach, which makes my job a lot easier. It allows us to get the job done efficiently as well. So it's very important, and I am very glad that here it works so well to have that collaboration.
All of our customers we work very, very closely with to make sure that our materials are working for what process they need them to work with, whether it's taking something that's designed for screen printing and modifying the viscosity and the rheology of the material to ensure that it works with other application methods, such as dipping, slot die coating, or gravure, or other high-speed roll-to-roll manufacturing processes. This is basically our entire business model.
My name is Chris Dimino. I'm an applications engineer with Kayaku Advanced Materials. It's very nice to be able to think freely and be able to do what you need to do to get the job done. General scientific method, but there is a general process flow that most of our customers or most of the resist world would use resist. and we generally will try and follow that process from the beginning and work our way to the very last process to, again, fit the needs of the customer for that.
We follow the IPC CC 830, which is the standard for conformal coating for PCBs for circuit boards. So that covers our inspection process, that covers our raw material, that covers our finished product, finished paneling coating. In addition to that, our raw material is also certified to Class 6 biocompatibility, so it's safe to put inside your body. In our facility, all our operators are trained in ESD procedures, so we follow ESD 2020. So we have, protocols in place for that too.
We're very forward thinking, and we make sure that we constantly have our fingers on the pulse for what industry trends are. We always are making sure that the materials that we have are meeting the expectations for upcoming future applications, as well as the applications of today.
My name is Omar Pacheco, and I'm the IT administrator. As part of the ITAR, basically to protect the information that we have with our customers and internally as well, we have to make sure that everything is secure with username and passwords, multi-factor authenticators, the VPN connections that goes in and out to our security systems. Basically, we have to go and provide our customers with this information and say, hey, we're compliant with the ITAR, the DFARS requirements. So that's basically telling them we're doing the right thing, we're securing our information, and this is what we have.
Hi, I'm Tom Cole. I am the Workplace Safety and Regulatory Compliance Manager here at Kayaku Advanced Materials. I see all these employees as people. I work with all these people 40 plus hours every single week. So if anything happens to any of our employees, that's a big deal. I want to make sure that all the people who I work with are good, they're okay, they're not put in any danger on a daily basis. Kayaku Advanced Material, I'm really happy to say that we have an extremely low incident rate here. It is not uncommon for us to have 0 OSHA recordable injuries in any given year, which is a really big deal. That gives us a DART rate and a TCIR well below the industry standard on a year-to-year basis, which is a really big deal.
My name is Nick Erdy. I work in the accounting department currently, and I also help out in the customer service department. So I've been around a long time, and I came in as a summer intern in 2006 to help package materials for customers. And then, I stopped for a few years while I went to college, and then I came back to work in the customer service department.
I've been involved in the conductive inks business my entire career. It is family-based. I'm third generation in epoxy and ink manufacturing. My father started a conductive inks company, and I've since evolved from starting working manufacturing floors all the way up to international travel and making to where I am today.
I've been with the company for about 6 years now. I just actually gravitated towards it, just the scientific method and all the how does this work and how do these chemicals behave and react with one another. So I just took a liking to it.
It's interesting because I started as a contractor probably 9 years ago. And the past 3 years, that's when I become part of the family.
I see us continuing to build upon what we've got. I see us continuing to look for that large whale that's out there to kind of bring that up on board. But I also see us starting to diversify. We put in place a business development group. And the interesting thing is, it's not only geared towards, well, this is what you do and let's just attack that. We're looking at new markets, new technologies, moving beyond has to be made here, and really looking at potentially licensing other people's technologies. All that can be used with our bag of tricks here